Let's take a look at the war on coronavirus now. The government has set aside some 930 million shillings to facilitate the inoculation of Kenyans against Covid-19. Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Mwangangi says Kenya will receive 24 million doses from the COVAX facility and procure an additional 11 million doses from other mechanisms to vaccinate nearly 16 million people. Mwangangi spoke even as the country recorded some 260 new Covid-19 cases.
The government has cautioned Kenyans against misinformation in ongoing efforts to secure a COVID-19 vaccine. Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Mwangangi says the government remains focused on ensuring Kenyans are vaccinated against the global pandemic.
The government has already made available a budget of 930 million Kenya shillings to facilitate the introduction of the vaccines in this country.
This commitment, the country will receive 24 million doses from the facility and will procure another additional 11 million doses from other mechanisms to vaccinate nearly 16 million people in the Kenyan population. And this vaccination is intended to take place through a period of 18 months, spread over 3 government fiscal years and not calendar years. The vaccines are expected to be a mix of AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and any other vaccine that will be included in the COVAX facility.
Mwangangi said the government has put in place vaccination infrastructure with central storage facilities in Nairobi for vaccines, required cold chain of up to -20 degrees, and some limited capacity of -70 degrees in major urban areas.
Infrastructure has been developed primarily for the immunization of children below the age of 5. And this is the same infrastructure that we will utilize for the COVID-19 vaccines, which for the first time place a requirement of the deployment of vaccines to the adult population on a large scale.
The government is building capacity of more than 23,000 healthcare workers, including 8,000 health volunteers in areas of vaccine administration. Meanwhile, Kenya reported some 260 new COVID-19 cases from a sample size of 5,873 in the last 24 hours. The latest figures has pushed the total number of confirmed cases to 102,613. 83 patients made full recovery both from hospital and home-based care. No fatalities were recorded in the last 24 hours. Currently, 341 patients are in hospital, out of whom 30 are in the intensive care unit. Another 1,319 are receiving treatment at home. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I'm Jackie Wambiru.